creating value for customers, employees, and society. Following the direction of assisting scientific technical progress, ZTT delves into the professional skill to enhance product performance. Remaining true to our original aspiration, ZTT strives to improve living standards through a mature industry chain. Keeping in step with global trends, ZTT takes action to promote sustainable economic and social development. In the great circle of life, ZTT never stops looking forward to the future with confidence. Located near the river and facing the sea, ZTT, which has gone through 30 years of ups and downs, has evolved into a green enterprise that aligns with the new economic model of green and low carbon. We are striving to achieve the net zero goal. Embracing the noble mission of connecting wonderful life with optic electric network, ZTT constantly explores innovative solutions to drive progress in modern techniques and preserve the ecological environment. Igniting innovation, fueling progress. At ZTT, innovation is in our DNA. We never cease to push the boundaries, constantly introducing groundbreaking solutions that shape industries. Our relentless pursuit of innovation drives us to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. ZTT has got 6 champion in manufacturing industry, undertaken more than 60 state-level projects, compiled over 500 international, national, and industry standards, owned over 2,500 invention patents, accepted China Quality Award, China Grand Award for Industry, and second prize for National Technical Invention. All of them push ZTT to provide better products to customers, bring more welfare to the staff, and contribute to the development of society. Join hands with the world. Win-win cooperation. At the beginning of the 21st century, ZTT opened up the overseas market, continuously providing high-quality products and precise services to global customers. Throughout the past 20 years, ZTT has strategically established 5 overseas factories in India, Brazil, Indonesia, Morocco, and Turkey. Additionally, we have set up 12 overseas marketing centers and 54 offices worldwide. Our main products are exported to 160 countries and regions, delivering high-quality solutions to numerous global partners. Our company proudly stands as one of China's largest exporters of manufactured cables, with the majority of our products consistently ranking among the top 10 worldwide. This achievement has earned us wide recognition in the international market. Creating a greener future. With a specialized industrial portfolio encompassing renewable energy, marine systems, smart grid, telecom, and industrial internet, ZTT actively contributes to the sustainable development of society while promoting a greener environment. At ZTT, we value our staff as our most valuable asset. We invest in their growth, well-being, and professional development, fostering a supportive and rewarding work environment. Our journey is fueled by a passion for excellence and a sense of responsibility. We continuously strive to innovate, improve, and contribute to the greater good, ensuring a brighter future for our customers, staff, and society as a whole. Technology unveils the world with ZTT. ZTT reveals the future to the world.